In this video, we're going to calculate the square root of 169. And to do this calculation, we need the definition of a square root. Okay, the square root of any value will be equal to b if, and only if b squared is equal to the value inside the root. And b squared, we know, is the same as b multiplied by b. That is, b times b has to equal a, or simply, a number multiplied by itself has to be equal to the value inside the root. So, applying this definition to the square root of 169, we need to find out which number, when multiplied by itself, results in 169. And this number here will be the value of our square root. And the number that I multiply by itself to get 169 is 13. 13 times 13 equals 169. Therefore, the square root of 169 is 13. And we did this calculation here in a simple and quick way. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And at the end here, I'll be leaving more content for you to watch. I'll be waiting for you there. Big hug to you all, and may God be with you.